We're up to day 22 of the Flaviar Advent Calendar series. I have day 22 here. The bottle seal is cracked because I had a little glitch with my camera, but I haven't tasted it yet, haven't looked at it yet. This is still a blind tasting. Let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin. And like I said, we're on day 22 of this Flaviar Advent Calendar series. Here's the front of the bottle, in case you didn't see it in the intro. You can look at the country of origin. I cannot. This is a blind tasting, and hopefully the camera stays on this time and does what it should do, because I want to get to tasting this whiskey. I'm looking for some Highland Scotch. Have any of you seen Highland Scotch in this particular Advent Calendar box? I don't think so. I'm trying to find one. It's not showing up for me, but today could be a new day for that. Let's try the nosing. Oh yes, this does have malty notes and a little bit of that tire store note that I like so much. Interesting that that's a pretty light whiskey. Okay, maybe, maybe 22 days into it, Flaviar is going to give me something from Scotland. Let's see here. Yeah, it really has all the markings of an island Scotch. I think I've said that before, but this really does seem like one. Getting a little bit of toffee notes, and I'm getting some caramel. I'm getting a little bit of smoky peatiness. Just a hint, just a hint. It's got some burn. It's peppery. It's got a really long finish. I'm thinking we've got a decent ABV here. 46 or above. Really has a lot of Scotch notes for me. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty sure we've got a Scotland whiskey here, which would be really good for me. I know I've had my complaints about this calendar being too US centric. There's a lot of great whiskeys in the US, and there's a lot of new types of whiskeys in the US, so that's fine. But if I don't get at least a couple from Scotland, I think, that's just wrong. Let's see what we have here. Actually, it's a nice balance of spice and sweetness. So I'm going for a Highland Scotch because it's got to be by this point, right? Good thoughts, good ideas, good gracious. I need something from Scotland. Tell me this is Scotland. What am I going to see here? Ireland, USA. All right, come on. That's even cheating. It's two countries. How am I supposed to guess two countries? Ireland, USA, day 22. Come on. I don't know. All right, let me look at the app. Here's the Flaviar app. We're up to day 22. There's no Scotland on any of these days, day 22 included, because apparently that's Ireland and the USA. Okay, day 22 is Irish plus American whiskey, Keeper's Heart whiskey. Never heard of it. 43% ABV, which is lighter than I thought. It's got quite the burn for 43%, so that's pretty impressive. Very inexpensive, $35 for a bottle. Their tasting notes are floral, allspice, candy, ginger, vanilla, zesty fruit, lemon, and oak. This is a weird blend. So there's Irish grain whiskey, Irish pot still whiskey, and the boldness of American rye whiskey, all in one offering. There's no way I would have guessed this whiskey. That's way too far out of the zone of guessing. I'm lucky I was even talking about whiskey at all with this combination. I mean, it tastes pretty good, and I think the price point is great. I don't know. This is so out there. I mean, okay, I give Flaviar credit for finding these exotic whiskeys, and that's great because it's nice to have a box of variety in it. But are we out of variety in Scotland? Is that the case? I don't know. Tell me if I'm just way off base here, if you don't care about lacking Scotland in this case, but I do, and I'm really running low on bottles. There's only 2 left over here. So tell me your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the Flaviar box in general, the US version? I know the European versions are different. And have you had the Irish plus American whiskey from Keeper's Heart whiskey? If you have, let me know what you think, because I'm curious. I've never seen it before, but hey, there's 1,000 whiskeys out there that I haven't even come close to trying. So new stuff is good. And until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take Take care of those people around you. And cheers.